Greetings and welcome back on my channel. The sailing season has come to an end and I'm looking forward to a bunch of projects while my boat is resting on the hard part of this world. The boat was lifted out of the water and it'll stay there until the end of March 2025. I'm happy that everything went as planned while a crane was introducing my boat how to fly. We have a wagon on rails which will be lowered down into the water. You need to drive onto that wagon and moor the boat right there. While the boat sits on that wagon, it will be towed out of the water. In our sailing community, everything is self-managed, except of steering the crane. This will be the final position for the next 4.5 months. That means I have plenty of times to tackle all the open projects which needs to be addressed. I will be using a Kanban board to track my progress. This will help me and beautify it for you. One very important topic is to open up and clean my diesel tank, and here you can see why. When you're looking into the viewing glass of the diesel filter, you will see that it looks quite strange in there. I think I have the so-called diesel pest to ensure that the engine will not stop. I need to look into the diesel tank. Next on the list is replacing the starter battery with a new one. The current battery is not only old, but it's also the wrong one. Another thing what is coming is the starter battery of the engine. It's down under here. This is the starter battery. So 75 ampere hours is correct, but when you look closely, this is a consumer battery. It's not for starting the engine. So this is the next thing which will be done. Unfortunately, I have to take care of the underwater ship in this year again. Last winter season, I've already stripped all the old paint from the underwater ship until I've reached the gilt coat, and then I've rebuilt the protection layer for the underwater ship. I was using Gilt Shield 200 from International, with which I've painted 5 layers of coating and a final layer of anti-fouling. But as you can see here, I have lost a decent amount of protection layer at the bow due to adhesion problems between layer 2 and 3 of the Gilt Shield. This needs to be repaired in this winter season. I have 2 more open tickets on the board. One is replacing the anode of the engine cylinder head, and the second one will be a small surprise. So if you're curious and like to be up to date, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in the next one. Bye!